SIG project is a project that achieves to release a digital platform for blockchain and intelligence artificial for create a sort of platform that can be user-friendly for small and medium enterprise. And so also supply chain of textile can be involved in this key enabling technology. Why for farming and for breeding can be important to be a part of this project? Because the most important thing is the traceability. Traceability for sustainability, for anti-counterfeiting, for ethical sustainability.
If fashion was is a reality in terms of demand on wool, many streetwear brands are now looking for wool. The Generation Z is now demanding for more natural fabrics and yarns, and wool is a perfect fiber for creating long-lasting items.